Hey, this is Katty Customs, and I'm back customizing a pair of Air Max 270s, all white. And this time we're gonna do something simple, but still dope at the same time. But I'm gonna show you guys how to put specks and splashes around the shoe on certain areas. May sound simple to some of you, but it may be a little challenging to a few. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first step that we're gonna do, we're gonna mask off the shoe. Doing the masking is very important because when doing splats, you don't want the paint to get everywhere. And Angelus provides 3 types of tape. You have the white masking tape, the blue painter's tape, and the red vinyl tape. My personal preference, I like to use the red vinyl tape because it stretches and then you could kind of like form the tape to how you want it to fit on the shoe. Okay, so here what I'm doing with the tape is that I'm taking the edge of the tape and I'm lining it up with the midsole perfectly. So as you can see around the toe cap, I use the masking tape, the vinyl masking tape, and some of the tape is overlaying on the top part. So what I do, I use a razor and just simply cut the extra pieces that's overlaying on top and just take it off. So now that the shoes are taped up, now they're ready for splatter. Okay, so with this particular custom, what we're gonna do something like, kind of like of a lighter scale of splatter. We wanna use black first because we don't wanna override the brighter colors when we put it on the shoe. I think black was a good choice to put in here. I think it's gonna look dope once we put all the other colors around it. Yeah, it's gonna look good. So the next color we're gonna use is light blue. And with the blue, we're gonna use the toothbrush technique. So basically what I'm doing, just gliding my thumb across the bristles. And as you can see, it gives the lighter gray. As you can see, we didn't use the Too Soft for doing the splatter, simply because you don't want the paint to bleed too much on the fabric part. And since we're not covering the entire fabric, Too Soft is really not necessary to use. It's a dirty job when doing splats. There's no right or wrong way on how to customize with splatter. It all depends on how you want to do it, whether you want light speckles or you want heavier speckles. It's all in your preference on how you want to use it, whether you want to use a toothbrush or a paintbrush. Either way, it's going to come out looking great. That's cool. Yeah, that's dope. Simple, you know. So here we are. This is the finished product of the Air Max 270. And as you can see, the shoe was all white at first, but all we did was just add a little splatter around the shoe. And we did more of a simple custom. We just wanted to do certain areas around the shoe so that way we could give you an example of what shoes could look like without doing so much to it. So this is something new and different, Air Max 270. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. You can follow me on Instagram, my information is below, and hope to see you guys again.